Okay, I'm Ty Pennington, your host. Welcome to a really big HGTV challenge. We're talking Rock the Block, but this year we're taking it to a whole new scale. And by that I mean, well, we're gonna see what these teams are made of, what kind of experience they have, how big their hands are, and how big the materials they'll be working with are. Since we're gonna be in Salt Lake City, Utah, why not have them the challenge of creating a log house, right? So we've got all the materials we need here, and I think these are the building blocks to really prove who they are as designers and builders. And I'm excited to see not only what they come up with, but also how things stack up, literally. If you're ready, let's rock the mini block.
Look at that.
I don't think I'm gonna get back up if I get down there.
You got a bad back, honey.
Oh, please.
Oh my God.
We made it.
We're in.
All right, what's this?
Yeah, what are we doing? What's up, everybody?
What's up, everybody?
Oh boy.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I am Cole,
I'm Chelsea.
and we're about to rock the mini block.
Let's do it.
This is Jonathan and Jordan Knight, and we're about to rock the mini block.
What's up, you guys? This is Kamo Hai
I'm Tristan Kalama.
from Renovation Aloha.
I'm Michelle Smith Boyd,
I'm Allison Victoria.
and we are here to rock
the mini block.
Baby Boy.
But yeah, we're here to rock this freaking block.
Crush the block.
Yeah, I like that. We're here to crush, annihilate the block.
So clearly one of the challenges, when you're dealing with trying to build a house in record time, on a record budget, is of course not only making sure that you get everything exactly how you like it, but also making sure it's done correctly. And that's why we have a team of professionals to make sure we can guide our teams all the way to the finish line. And hopefully that finish line means a finished house with hopefully a solid roof. That's the goal. Let's see if the teams have got what it takes.
You want to build like what we're going to actually do on the block?
Let's build what I wish we could have. Like, let's have a barn in the backyard of our house or something.
Very rustic.
Let's do that.
So no modern. You want full rustic?
How modern can we get with this thing?
I'm just saying, I know you love modern.
I know.
I do too.
I had an Etch-a-Sketch.
We're gonna build the base with the big logs first. Are you talented in the log department?
I mean, I'm very talented in the log department.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go big.
What do you got over there? Let's see what we got.
I got a couple,
What are you working with?
I got some barn doors.
This looks like some roofing options.
We're going for a mansion, Victorian mansion. Let's go.
So not what's happening here.
Oh, I
Big
want
barn?
it big. I want
Okay.
the big mini
So
barn.
if you want a big barn, then we got to get our foundation.
Yeah.
Gonna do one big
I
one?
think you do one. You said Hawaiian surf shack.
Okay,
So I
let's do
feel
it.
like right there is your shack. You know what I mean? Come on, green.
Yeah, we can do green.
This is
Cool.
plantation green.
Plantation surf chat.
When you think of a Hawaiian home, it's a plantation style cottage and they always are painted green.
I love it.
We're just gonna build a structure. It's gonna try to be the barn.
We're taking inspo from our barn at home and we're gonna go with that.
Let's just go. Let's build a pyramid.
But look at these ones are different than these ones.
All right.
So I don't know if we have to stick with these ones. See, there's too many kits mixed in here.
I feel like we should
Here's our
probably
door. Yeah, see, we're doing it wrong. All right. We got no room
demo.
I don't think I'm building this the right way.
They're throwing us a curveball. Now we have to
Problem solved.
problem solve.
Here's me chasing a chicken with an alpaca behind me.
And chicken on the little hay bale. I'm inside drinking wine.
Okay, can I switch and do landscape?
No, you got this. You
Really?
got this. Well, it's better than what I would do.
Maybe we'll just do like an open concept.
I like it.
How about that? We'll just have an open barn. Look at this. There's no closings here.
Well, drop a window in there.
No, I can't drop any. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
There we go.
Look at that. We've got a window.
There's a difference between being a licensed contractor and a designer and investor. They're two very different things.
100%. Can you guys tell we've never actually built a house with our own hands?
Just so you know, this is pretend world. I would not build a house like this, so if you hire me to build your house,
I would.
don't expect this quality.
I love playing with these at home, but whenever the kids get them, they just dump them out and then they just leave them.
Yeah, it's not really playing. It's more like dumping logs.
You dump a lot of logs.
Floor is officially created.
So we're running green floors.
We're gonna make it a new trend.
This house will not hold up in a
This is
storm.
not pass code.
Not passing code. Definitely not built to code.
Oh! Failure.
Frame it in.
Thank God that we're building an actual house because
Yeah.
this, I don't think there's, I think if there's a structural engineer that we have to check with on this, then we lose.
We lost.
We're pivoting. Let's build a barn.
All right, let's go.
Let's just build it up, put a roof on it.
No windows.
No windows. Yeah.
We're gonna build a raft.
We do have a pond in our backyard, so we'll put that back there. Is there a way you can just do this and then slant it up?
We can try.
Yeah, but then you're still gonna have, let's just envision these being like huge glass pane windows.
No, we can probably put a roof on.
Okay.
Ooh.
Done.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
This is better than I thought.
Jeez.
My gosh.
Slanted roof, that's the new design.
That's it. That's in this season.
Exactly.
That's like high design. People don't want the flat roof. They don't want the steep pitched roof.
Okay.
Put this one. This is gonna be like.
How about a hobbit house?
Can you see the back of our house? Because I'm not doing anything with that.
We just put a roof on it like this. A hobbit house. Those are gonna be in.
Yup.
Look at that.
Here, put that on the roof.
Okay. Look at that.
See, that's the next in thing too. People are putting fireplaces on their
On
roof.
their rooftops.
Never been seen before. This is cutting edge design,
Cutting edge.
folks.
Look at that.
I mean, when I'm in something, I'm in it to win it. I want the best looking place.
Hi, Mommy. What did you do at work today? I played with toys.
No one's ever made a fish house. You've seen it here first. The fish, when they get cold at night, they come inside. Actually, this moves. It goes and covers them at night. And then
Retractable
it's a
roof.
retractable roof.
That's a really good feature for the fish. Like, you're gonna pay extra for that.
Cutting edge.
Cover it,
Cutting edge.
uncover 'em. Perfect.
Nobody has that. Nobody has that.
Nobody.
You can actually see the guy's head.
Okay.
Okay, we did it.
This is the Great Hobbit Estate. I think we problem solved really great. It was tough to build we first started with a Victorian mansion.
Yeah. And that's the thing with design. I mean, some things you have to pivot sometimes. Sometimes the Victorian mansion might not work, and you pivot and you just create something even better. And
Right.
you know, just with cutting edge things that you've never seen in a house before.
I'm telling you, in 10 years, Hobbit houses, you're gonna see them everywhere.
thing.
I think it's gonna be littered across the country on Hobbit houses.
This is the tour of our Hawaii
Beach cottage.
beach cottage.
Plantation style home. It's single wall construction, TNG.
We have a flat roof on the entryway.
We're going for a very airy, open concept vibe.
First, when you walk into the property, you have a koi pond because
We have a lot
we
of
love
land.
koi.
We're also in North Shore, so we have a little bit of a farm. We're on ag land, agriculture land. So as you can see, we have our chickens, and this is Kamohai taking care of the horses.
We went with green, red, and yellow as our design colors
Oh,
for this house.
reggae vibes.
Full reggae vibes.
As you can see, these are intentionally left open. In Hawaii, we have jealousy windows for crossbreeds, so just Imagine those there.
Yeah.
And then they're on
Screaming.
all four sides of the home. Crush it.
Crush.
Gee.
Dude, this is gonna be the worst one.
So you come down your gravel road to a beautiful fenced-in area. We have Gary over here, Cole, Dewey, a zebra. This is our chicken turtle. This is Dale, our dog. He is morbidly obese.
Yes, this is our son Watson helping.
Yeah.
And this is our pond.
Oh.
This is our pond back there with a little sitting area. See, so if this was realistic, there'd be a woman inside by the fire.
Yes.
And if you opened up the doors, you'd find a woman next to the fire slugging wine.
Slugging.
Sipping wine.
This is our open concept barn.
Yes.
Okay, Alice and I do not need walls. And we only need a roof on 3/4 of our house.
This is didn't we say it's a Moroccan barn?
It's right, that's right. This is a Riyadh meets Utah.
Wow.
Okay?
Great combo.
And we have a beautiful lawn out front and very large dogs. So they're in the foreground. This is the tree we decorate outside at Christmas time.
We have some beautiful reclaimed doors here that I found at an antique store
Gorgeous.
that lead into the pasture where we have
A
a
wrangler.
cowboy and we have a llama
'Cause I
and
love
we have
them.
2 horses. And then we've got, of course, hedging, which I love to do all the time. Now, I would not choose a blue roof, but I don't have any paint. So,
But you know what,
I'm
these are
kinda
solar
stuck.
panels.
Oh, these are solar panels.
Because we're sustainable.
That's right. Okay, so these are solar panels. Do you want me to do like a line of like solar panels? Oh, no, oh, God.
And this is our pet chicken because we are vegan. We raise animals, but we do not consume animals.
I don't eat anything with a beak.
Exactly.
And that's it, folks.
You're not gonna see this anywhere else. I mean, talk about creativity.
You just couldn't get enough?
Yes.
You want any more?
Then you'll have to check us out on Rock the Block season 6.
I promise it's gonna be, it may not be as good as this, but it's gonna be pretty good.